Are you still drowning in spreadsheets and paperwork? You're losing control and money, but there's hope. Discover how inFlow inventory is transforming businesses and taking them from chaos to efficiency in inventory management. Picture a world where endless spreadsheets and manual counts are relics of the past. That's the promise of inFlow. This platform has already helped over 50,000 businesses simplify their inventory processes, making it a game changer. Let's delve into inFlow's core solutions that cater to businesses of all types, regardless of size. At the heart of inFlow lies its flagship product, designed for effective stock management across multiple locations. Real-time inventory tracking means you're always in control, reducing costly stockouts and excess inventory. For manufacturers, inFlow offers advanced tools like bills of materials and production tracking to enhance efficiency. Imagine using a smart scanner that thrives in the warehouse, simplifying inventory counts and operations at your fingertips. Complementing the software, the label printer creates professional barcode labels, ensuring everything is properly identified. User-friendly interfaces let new employees start contributing almost immediately, saving valuable training time and resources. Scalability is built into inFlow's design, adapting to your growing business without the fear of outgrowing the system. With comprehensive features like purchase planning and integrated shipping, inFlow eliminates the need for multiple systems. Real-world case studies reveal how businesses have dramatically improved their operations after adopting inFlow. Are you prepared to take charge of your inventory management and move beyond the chaos of outdated systems? Start your journey with inFlow today. The difference between chaos and control is just one step away.